This conference will now be recorded.
SCADA Training about U.S. Global Online Trainings has proven track record of delivering successful trainings on various technologies globally to improve the bottom line of the business for competencies of the corporate and careers growth of the individual's consultants. We are providing best online training center that provides you training on all modules of SAP, Oracle, SAS, PHP and testing tools, data warehousing, PLSQL and SQL. Our professional and efficient team of trainers brings out their years of expertise to let their students understand the complexities of the technology that they are training on. Global Online Trainings. Global Online Trainings provide online training through virtual classes, but at no time during our training program will you feel that you are not connected to us physically. Global Online Trainings subject matters experts will provide you online tutorials in such an engaging and engrossing way that you will never feel you are not in a physical classroom. Global Online Training application sharing, remote desktop support, chat to clear doubts, virtual whiteboard sharing and question-answer sessions are some of our prominent features that truly sets us apart from other online training provider. Introduction of SCADA Training. SCADA Training at Global Online Trainings. The SCADA Training is the process of getting the real-time data from different locations, and the information is gathered by the SCADA system. Then they analyze it, control it and analyze the processes. This is the combination of the data acquisition and the telemetry. It collects the information from the different processes, like information about the temperature. It carries about the necessity and required information. Global Online Trainings offers best SCADA training by high professionals with real-time examples. Learn the concept of SCADA components and PLC. The foundation of the SCADA system, assembling data on top of the procedure and transferring organizing information to the field-associated devices. By increasing the integrity of the system, the multiple servers will often be configured in a dual redundant or hot standby formation as long as constant control and examine in the event of a server malfunction or go down. The single PC SCADA systems may collect supervisory computer, in which controls the HMI as an element of this computer. In SCADA systems, the master location may consist of more than a few HMIs. Overview of SCADA Training. The SCADA stands for Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition, provides you the concepts, fundamentals involved in SCADA. Let us discuss all those concepts during the PLC SCADA Online Training by well-experienced trainers. The supervisory operations. There are some key attributes of the SCADA system. For example, taking the general model of the SCADA system, there are a few levels that are level A, level B, level C, level D and level E. This is the example of the functionality of the manufacturing system. Each level follows different operations like level A. That device will control or find out the temperatures and the final control elements. Then the level B will contain the industrialized input modules and the output modules, and their processors. The level C will supervise the computers and then it collates the information and then provides the operator control views. Thank you. Please visit our site, www.globalintrainings.com.